What if your old knife could cut paper clean and slice fruit smooth again, all with a stone and one small PPR pipe? Picture this. You pick up an old knife that used to glide through everything. Today, we bring that feeling back. No fancy tools, no machines, just a sharpening stone, a small PPR pipe, and a steady hand. If you enjoy useful tricks and working with your hands, stay with me. We make this blade come alive again, step by step. Here is your PPR pipe. This pipe is tough and easy to shape, so it works great as a guide for sharpening. Take your sharpening stone and soak it in water. Let it sit a few minutes so the water gets inside the stone. When a stone is wet, it cuts smoother and protects your knife. While the stone absorbs water, we get the pipe ready. Cut about 6 inches of the PPR pipe. This size is easy to hold and line up with the knife. Draw a straight line along the side of the pipe. This helps you cut in the right spot. Now use a small saw to cut a groove along that line. Go slow so the cut stays straight. When the groove is open, take a utility knife and trim the edges to form a clean V shape. This V holds the knife spine and keeps the sharpening angle steady. A good angle means your knife gets sharp faster and stays sharp longer. Wipe the pipe clean and check the groove. It should fit the knife spine snug, but still slide smoothly. Now you have a simple angle guide made right at home. Take your wet sharpening stone out of the water. Place your knife on it and try to set a low angle. It can feel tricky by hand. Slide the PPR pipe onto the spine of the knife. The V groove locks the spine in place. The pipe lifts the spine and gives you a steady sharpening angle every time. Now start sharpening on the 600 grit side of the stone. Keep the pipe on the spine so your angle stays steady. Wet the stone with clean water. Place the blade flat, then slide it forward across the stone as if you are shaving a thin layer off the surface. Lift and reset each stroke. Do not drag back on the edge. Work from the heel to the tip. Use slow, even strokes and light pressure. Do about 10 to 15 passes on one side. Flip the knife and do the same number on the other side. Add water when the stone feels dry. You will start to feel a slight burr at the edge. That means the steel is shaping well. Take your time and let the stone and angle guide the edge back to life. Where are you watching from? Drop your city or country. I always enjoy seeing where everyone is tuning in. Turn the stone to the 1500 grit side. This step smooths the edge and removes the scratches from the coarse grit. Keep the PPR pipe on the spine so your angle stays the same. Wet the stone with clean water. Move the knife forward across the stone with calm, steady strokes. Lift on the return, then set down again. Do 10 to 15 passes on one side. Then switch and do the same on the other. Use light pressure. You should feel the blade glide easier with each stroke. If the stone feels dry, add more water. Your edge will start to feel smooth and refined. This fine grit brings the sharpness together and prepares the knife for the final polishing step. Now, get your leather ready. Cut a strip of leather that fits flat on a small wooden board. Clean the surface of the board so the leather sticks well. Peel the backing off your double-sided tape and lay the strip of tape on the wood. Press the leather down firmly by hand. Make sure it sits flat with no bubbles or folds. This leather will be your final sharpening surface, so keep it clean and smooth. It takes just a minute, and now you have a simple stropping base made right at home. Now put polish on the leather. Take a small amount of stropping compound or polishing wax and rub a thin, even layer over the leather. You only need a light coat. Place the knife flat on the leather at the same sharpening angle you set earlier. Pull the blade backward away from the edge, smooth and steady. Do not push forward. Repeat this motion several times on one side, then flip the blade and do the same on the other side. Keep the pressure gentle. You are not removing metal now. You are polishing the edge and removing the sole of the last tiny burrs. After a few passes, your knife edge will feel smooth and look clean. This simple stropping step makes a big difference in sharpness. Your knife is now sharp and smooth again. You brought it back with a simple stone and one small PPR pipe. The angle guide you made keeps the edge even, and the stropping gives it that final clean bite. You did this without buying an expensive jig or sending the knife out. You used what you had and made it work. Try this on other kitchen knives or your pocket knife. Keep the angle the same. Add water when you sharpen and strop at the end. A sharp knife saves effort, feels better in the hand, and makes every cut safer. Thank you for spending time here and working on this project with me. If you found value in this show, your support, so I can keep sharing useful ideas like this. Hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments what tool you want to improve next. I always enjoy hearing from you.